guys, welcome back to my channel. Ada here again. So today, I know it's been so long. I don't even know what to say, but let's just start off by cleaning up this house. This was the video I filmed after Christmas, like after the Christmas, yeah, and I cleaned up the whole house. This was how my house was looking because of course it was Christmas, a little party and fun and all that good stuff. So I had a whole lot going on. The house was like trash. The house was in so much mess. So I had to of course clean up after the whole Christmas fun and resting and all that. So if you're new on here, my name is Ada. I do everything: cleaning, motivation, hauls, vlogs, mom life and all of that good stuff, and unboxing as well. So if that looks like the type of content that you would like to see, do go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned because you're going to love it here. And welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in and always supporting me. I know I have been gone for a while. I have been gone like maybe not for a long time, but for a while. But I really needed that rest, and I had to like rest. So I'm back now, and I'm definitely going to be kind of rebranding and doing all of that. So stay tuned because this channel is about to be lit. So I'm not taking no more breaks. I'm done taking breaks. Last year was just full of excuses and taking breaks and all that, but this year I'm no more taking any more breaks. I am here now to hug out the YouTube life. Okay, it can be very how do I put it can be very stressful, and just because you don't have you work on a video and then you put it out there and you don't even get as much views as you want to get. But that's definitely fine. This year I decided not to look at the views or whatever, but keep doing what I'm doing. Definitely I will get there someday. So yeah, I started off in my room, cleaning up my room because that looks like the less messier place. So I started off from it's funny, but I started off from the less messier place because man, the whole place was a whole mess. So yeah, happy new year guys. How is everyone doing? How are you all? How did you spend your Christmas? Let me know in the comment section what you did, COVID, Christmas and all that. So let me know what you did, and yeah, during the Christmas period and the new year. So of course we are in 2021, so happy new year and welcome. I have a little vlog on my birthday. Like my birthday was on the 1st of January, so I try to vlog. Honestly, I don't know why I find it difficult vlogging. Like I'm not just used to always whipping out my camera when something is happening and all that. Maybe that's why, but I'm getting better. I will be better this year. Like I'll vlog more, do so many things, and my channel will be more active, fun, whatever have you like. And then if you have any video suggestion, of course, please do go ahead and leave that in the comment section. That helps me as well to know the type of content you guys enjoy watching on my channel. So if you have any video suggestion or any type of content you like, just leave that in the comment section down below. Yeah, so if you would like to see the vlog, it might be short, but I did I did vlog a little. So if you would like to see the birthday vlog, I'll definitely put that out. Also, my daughter turned 4 in February, so I tried to vlog as well. I tried, honestly. I don't know, I tried because I cooked, of course, did all the mama things and all of that. If you also want to see that vlog, leave a comment down below and I will put that out as well. So you see, this year I came prepared. So actually this was I did my makeup of course on Christmas. I had to look good and all that. So I'm packing up now. Like you can imagine how messy it can be. So I'm trying to pack up everything because I did my makeup and the whole place is just kind of somehow. So I'm packing everything up. And yeah, of course I did film it. I always put my beauty channel in the description box down below, so you definitely see it in this one. In case if you're wondering, oh, let me see what her makeup is like, you can head over there and see for yourself. I'm sure you will love it there. So yeah, you will definitely love it there. So the links to my food channel and my beauty channel is in the description box down below. You can go ahead and check that out. Yeah, I have, of course, if you know, I do vlogs and all these things, and I kind of like work from home, so I love cooking a whole lot. So that was what motivated me to start up my food channel. So because I always like get people, how did you make this, how did you make that, and I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and start a food channel. So, and it's been doing pretty well. So if you love food, if you're a foodie like me, go ahead and subscribe there as well. So now we are in the living room. I think I tried to vacuum my room and I found out my vacuum cleaner was low, so I had to plug it in. So the vacuuming will be after all the cleaning. So you can see my little helper Olivia helping me out as well, because we all made this mess together, so we are cleaning it together. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh my god. How did I, oh, look at my little boy helping me. Oh my god, I love this boy. Look at him helping. He is so helpful. You guys, you won't even believe it. I don't know why, but he just kind of likes working and helping me out and just doing stuff. He's just so he's such a cute boy. And he's so smart, you guys. He is so smart. When I mean smart, he is so smart. So yeah, what I was saying, oh, what was I was about to say, okay. So yeah, you guys, I want to, like, I'm kind of like planning on redecorating my house and doing all of that. So I was planning on like doing it like vlog style and showing you guys what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing the redecorating process and everything. So if you would like to see that, also leave a comment down below so you guys will see. I know many people like watching all these decorating videos and all of that. Yeah, so I'll be redecorating, so I would definitely like to take you guys along and let's figure all this out, redecorate my house and do all of that. I've always had that in mind, just that I've been busy with one thing or the other. But I'm like, this year I'm definitely going to do it, just do what I want to do, transform and do all of that. Just make it more cozy. I love more of cozy environment, and so So this is me clearing up everything. Man, it was fun. This Christmas was so fun. Hope you guys had fun at least. Like, hope you guys had fun. It was so fun. I don't even know why. And at the point, if you guys recalled earlier, I started Vlogmas, but I didn't end it because I was like reaching that burnout. I was like, I've posted 3 times in a row, and it looks like the views keep going down and down and down each time I post. I'm like, this is Vlogmas. Am I not supposed to be, getting more views and all that? And you know how it is. If you're a YouTuber, you know how it is. So I was just I was like, no, I had to stop Vlogmas. I'm like, no, this will make me burn out faster. Like, I'll be, So I stopped Vlogmas, I think on day 3 or day 4. And of course, what is a cleaning video without a sink full of dirty dishes? So yeah, do go ahead and get up and clean your house as well as you're watching this, because I know you want to. So just get up and clean as well. Everywhere was so messy, the stove and everything, because of the cooking, like the too much cooking and everything that I did. Everywhere was just so messy. You guys, you will not imagine the amount of dirt accumulated during just Christmas Day. Like, look at that. Look at the amount of dirt just for Christmas Day. Like, that is crazy. The whole place was just so. Ooh. And I'm so happy I finally got to do the cleaning the next day, because the house was such a mess. Like, look at the kids' table, everywhere was just such a mess, you guys. So I get this thing from dollar store, and it works magic. Like, be it grease, be it any form of dirt, like dry, anything at all. Like, once you spray it on there, it's more like an all-purpose cleaner. Once you spray it on there, it like clears up everything, and you can easily wipe it off. When it's grease, it like, I don't know, but this works like magic, and I get it from the Dollar Tree. So look out for it when you go to your next Dollar Tree visit. Okay, so now I am going ahead to vacuum. So far so good. I did an unboxing of my Dyson vacuum cleaner. I know you guys have seen that. If you've not, the video is on my channel. I'll also try to link it somewhere. So I did an unboxing, and yeah. Meanwhile, my house doesn't look like this anymore. No, not like it doesn't look like this, but I changed something. I'll definitely be vlogging, because I told you guys I'll be redecorating, so you guys will be seeing that. And this little man wouldn't leave the road, so he's always like following me, doing things. Man, I can't. This boy. He's always there, like he's always following me everywhere, anywhere. I am tired. Ooh. So far so good. As I was saying, the vacuum cleaner has been doing well. It has been working well. So yeah, it does a good job with really picking up dirt, and the ones that are like deep, kind of deep cleaning, depends on the setting where you put it on. If you've not watched the review, you can go ahead and watch it so you know what I'm talking about. So you guys, this is the finished everything. I am done. I hope you guys, if you've gotten to this stage in this video, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I don't know what else to say, but thank you so much, and please do stick around. If you are new here, subscribe, and I'll be posting more content often. Be strong and courageous, of course. And yes, I'll be posting more often. I'm no longer taking any unnecessary excuses and breaks this year. This year I decided to go hard, like go hard or go home. It is what it is, okay? So but I decided this is what I want to do. I love, yeah, of course I love cleaning, cooking, and all those stuff. So I'm definitely here. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below, give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family. What else? Like, comment, subscribe, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.